And welcome to the Screencast-O-Matic for components 2 and 3 for summative and probationary folks. So you have the option to meet with me in the Media Center or watch this handy-dandy video and decide if this answers your question. So the first place that I would send you is this, the Teacher Development and Evaluation site. Component 1 is right here, the teacher practice. Component 2 is right here, student engagement. There's lots of different surveys and analysis forms to help you. Here's some overview and ideas. And component 3 right here is for student achievement. Now it says see component guide for your specific group. So look over here to the left and it will give you examples. This is what I am looking for. I am looking for what your SMART goal was or is, what you did, how it impacted your teaching, what the outcome was, did you meet your goal or not, and then what are you going to do next? So if you did meet it, great. Why did you meet it? What did you see in your students? How does it impact your teaching going for the rest of the year? If you didn't meet your goal, why didn't you meet your goal? Was it too hard? Did the group move at a different pace than what you thought when you originally planned it? And then how did you change your instruction to match the student need? Really what I'm looking for is growth on either side, whether you met your goal or you didn't meet your goal, for both of the components. Now, some people have asked, can I write them together? And you can. You get scored on component 2, and then you are also scored on component 3. So you receive 2 scores. We just need to make sure that we can look at a rubric for component 2 and a rubric for component 3. I have some examples in my office that you are free to look at if you would like. But what I would suggest is, oh, hold on, I'm trying to do something funny here. It's not letting me. What I would suggest is that you write them separately, more than a paragraph, less than 5 pages. So a page and a half, but it's not like 47 font. And again, if you can cover those pieces, that's what I'm looking for. I don't need to see a sample of every single piece of student work. One example is nice, but your data is what I want to see. And here's a great spot to look at those analysis pieces that you can plug it right in. So remember, it's 6 to 9 weeks of data on both of these. And I would like you to turn it in whenever you're done. You can share it with me via Google Drive or put a copy in my mailbox and set up a half-an-hour conference with just the 2 of us. I want your write-ups the day before, please, so I can look at them and have my questions ready for you, and we can talk about that just to honor everybody's time. Let's see, what else? Do you have to upload them in iObservation? It can be one of your examples of evidence. Remember that your evidence can count for component 2 and component 3. So if you have something that counts for both, upload it in both sections, no problem. I would say 2 to 5 pieces of examples, whether it's a picture, whether it's something that you wrote out, whether it's a video. Any of those would count as well. So I would like to have those to me. Spring gets really busy, so if you can have your meeting with me latest middle of March, that would be great. Beginning of April, we start getting pretty scrunched on time. So thanks for all that you do. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching Screencast-O-Matic.